on the south sound of Cayman. Okay guys, there's so much people out here. I never expected to see this much people, but I'm gonna show you what the waves at this beach are looking like. So much. Oh God, the waves are roaring. You can hear that. A lot of people out here right now, but it's not raining, as you can see. Everybody trying to capture a little bit of what's happening. Look at that. We're not going any further though, because back home. It was raining when we just got in. I'm sorry I didn't get to vlog that part, but the sun is back out. The sun is out, and I don't know, this thing might not be coming here, but we're getting a lot of strong winds, as you can see in the previous clips that I showed you on the road when we were there. But I'm back home now, and a little bit of debris blew down in the pool from last night and in the yard as well over there. And yeah, so that's pretty much all we're getting. I am seeing sunshine right now and blue skies, so I think that's it. I think that's it. And I wanted to show you guys what's happening in Cayman. I know my family in Jamaica, they sent me messages that it's raining for like 2 days, full day and night, all day, all night rain. And I'm telling them it's the opposite here. We get a little bit of rainfall, but not a lot. And yeah, and I'm super happy and thankful for that, because yeah. So there you have it. Yeah, so there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Come on guys, it has been a long journey, and I'm at 25,600 subscribers now, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. And I just want you guys to continue showing me the support and the love, and I will continue to give you guys what you want. So yeah, drop a comment down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.